We're here in an airport because we've heard so much about the mega dairies. We've asked them to let us in, they've refused, so we're going to take to the air to see for ourselves from up there. Circled a mega dairy from the air, and it's an incredible sight. Hundreds, thousands of cows crowded into barren yards, and there's a slurry lagoon down there as big as an Olympic swimming pool. Goodness knows how much muck is contained in there, but I can tell you the mega dairy from the air looks like a vicious scar on this landscape. The vastness of the landscape here, you know, really does make you wonder why the cows are all crowded into one small space. We've just flown over California's Central Valley in this tiny plane here, and I tell you, it gives you such a different perspective on these mega dairies, you know, and not in a good way. You can see that these cows really are pumping out the effluent equivalent to a small city. You know, it's quite frightening stuff in terms of the environmental threat as well as the animal welfare. No wonder there are so many water pollution problems and air pollution problems arising from these mega dairies. Finally, after going past dozens of mega dairies in this Californian countryside, we've managed to get up close and to see one for ourselves. And here it is, you know, cows crowded together in these barren, muddy pens. It's quite shocking. Just have a look at these cows. You know, you can see how bony they are. You know, some of the udders on these cows are simply huge, where they've been genetically selected to produce so much milk. They're being fed concentrated feed. You know, it's all about production, production, production. That's why there are so many cows here. That is why they're not on grass.